goodness, in the greatness of your compassion, wipe out my offense thoroughly. Wash me from my guilt and of my sin. Cleanse me. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. For I acknowledge my offense, and my sin is before me always. Against you only have I sinned, and done what is evil in your sight. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. A clean heart create for me, O God, and a steadfast spirit renew within me. Cast me not out from your presence, and your Holy Spirit take not from me. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned. Give me back the joy of your salvation, and a willing spirit sustain in me. Oh Lord, open my lips, and a mouth shall proclaim your praise. Be merciful, O Lord, for we have sinned.